Arcadia, California, is the setting for Walnut House, designed by Walker Workshop. Stunning views of the San Gabriel Mountains provide a backdrop for the home, while the foreground is filled with native plants and vegetation, including Pride of Madeira and jacaranda. This double-height, light-filled space houses the living room, kitchen, dining area, and bar. Full-height glass doors frame views of the inner courtyard. Clad in an exterior palette of Danish brick, weathered steel, and wood, the low-profile house sits nestled along the site boundary, creating a central courtyard with a pool and spa. Across the courtyard, the primary suite expands with its own central courtyard space. A single maple tree anchors the suite, with the bathroom, closet, and bedroom surrounding it. High windows allow natural light to flood the interior spaces. Wooden slats hide a small staircase leading to the loft office, the only second-floor space in the home. Each room interacts uniquely with the natural surroundings, framing outdoor views while providing privacy. A massive wall clad in Peterson Columba brick runs the entire length of the site, acting as both an interior and exterior feature that divides the program between open public spaces and private, intimate spaces. A glazed hallway traverses the courtyard interior with views of the water features and landscape. high north-facing windows frame views of the mountains, while full-height glass doors to the south open onto a rooftop deck with views of the courtyard pool and adjacent living area. Walker Workshop has carefully selected a warm, inviting interior palette. Brick and walnut wood serve as transitional materials that blur the boundaries between outside and inside, softened by textured rugs and furniture pieces. By exploring every opportunity to connect with the natural environment, Walnut House stands as a timeless example of Californian residential design.